well, do a quick video on changing the air filter. It does look really simple, to be honest. Literally anybody could do this one. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips. Literally pull that tab and that's it. All the clips are the same. There's 2 clips on that which that pops off. Lift the tabs, pull the metal back. Same all the way around. There's one that then lifts up and there's little clips on the back of it there, look, and that's it. This air filter will come out. Just watch down dropping it crap back in. It's quite bad. Well, I wouldn't say really bad, but it is a bit dirty. It's not going to hurt changing anyway. Nice clean filter. Chuck this back in. And that's it, it's dropped in now. Just give it a push around all the edges just to seat it. So it'll seal better then, and then it uncovers the little bits at the back there. That's where the tabs go in. As you can see there, there's 3 of them. So that's it. And that reinstalls like that. Put the clips back on and then clip it all up and it's job done. Right, that was a quick one. I'll see you in the next video.